Okay, so the very first step is you're going to click additional content. World Builder, if it is now the June patch, should be available right here. If it's not, you need to find a different video on how to activate it, because I'm assuming you're watching this after it's already been activated. So you click World Builder, you click New Map. If you want to go to the advanced step, you can. There's a lot of different options. We're not going to bother with them. We're going to make our map dual size because it's just an example. We're going to do an empty map, and we're going to change the rules to Gathering Storm because that's the one I like to play, and we'll keep World Map on, Wrap on, because I like to sail. Okay, now that we're in the game, we're going to take our brush. We're going to actually use large to begin with. I'm going to go to terrain, and I'm going to choose which terrain I want. So I'm going to make a grassy land here, and then I'm going to switch it up to, let's do some plains over here. And then, you know what? Beyond the plains, there is going to be a tundra in the northern lands, actually up here in this area. So we've got a nice rainbow of colors there. And then, you know what? We actually need some mountains. So I'm going to quickly go to the small brush, and I'm going to go, and we're going to get some hills on this side over here. And then those hills will become mountains up over here actually, and then that the tundra, we obviously need more in the tundra as well, so we'll have some tundra hills following this area, and then we'll make some tundra mountains. As you can see, all I'm doing is placing down wherever I feel like should go there. Okay, and then we need some plains mountains. There we go. Plains mountains. Looks beautiful. Looks excellent. Next step, we're going to go to features. Features has all the different things like forest. It's the stuff that goes on top of the tile. So we're going to make a rainforest over here. And then directly touching it, we're going to make a regular forest right here. And I just realized I didn't have any desert. So I'm going to go back to the terrain really quick and make a desert down here. Beautiful, beautiful desert. And we're going to make a desert hill in the center. We'll do some more. Okay. Then we're going to go back to features, and we're going to see, oh, we need some interesting, cool, whatchamacallit, natural wonders. So I've got that one there, and you know what, just for fun, let's do one more. Which one should I do? Which one should I do? Let's do this bay right here. Oh, excellent, beautiful. Halong Bay. Beautiful. And then finally, because we're doing Gathering Storm, we'll make some volcanoes next to Mount Everest, because why not Mount Everest? Why not? Then we go down. We're going to go into continent. Now, this is all one continent, but let's pretend I don't want it to be one continent. I'm going to go to choose a different one, and then I'll paint this area Asia America. So this continent is now Asia America. I'm going to make my brush a bit larger so we can get through this faster. Next step, we're going to make some rivers. Rivers, you need to begin at the ocean, and then you can bring them into land. I find it helps to turn on the grid, because that way you can actually see where you are drawing these lines. Sometimes it kind of messes up, so you might want to go piece by piece, or maybe you don't. I don't know what you want. I'm going to make this river go really far. It's like the Amazon 2.0. I'm going to make it go all the way if it lets me. Okay, all the way over. Come on. Rivers are very frustrating to draw, as you can tell. Making these rivers, going all the way around. Okay, we made a good amount of rivers. That's probably good enough. Next, you're going to go down and do cliffs. Cliffs just prevent people from getting on the land when you don't want them to. So do some cliffs. Don't do them everywhere. Some areas don't have cliffs, but some areas do, so put a lot of cliffs. Excellent. We've done some cliffs. Maybe a little bit more over here. None over here. Yes, a lot over here because this is pretty rocky. So we'll put a lot of cliffs right there. Good, good, good. Okay, so we've done some cliffs. Next step, we're going to do resources. We're going to actually click scatter resources because that does it really easy. We could place them if we want to, but we don't. Except I'm going to put a bunch of rice all right here. Just that way it's fun. I don't know why. Then we're going to go to goodie huts, and we're going to place some goodie huts. We're going to place a couple of them in select areas around the map. I usually like to place them in areas where people will have to find them and explore to get them. And I'm going to put one next to that volcano because that's a dangerous location. Okay, we've placed some goodie huts. Then, in order to make our map playable, we're going to first go over here and we're going to name the map. We're going to name this map mod Speed Map. And then we're not going to give a description because we don't need to. We're going to give a map name. I'm going to keep it the same because consistency is good and easy. Then we're going to switch to advanced mode. It's going to tell you might break the game, and then we'll say we're okay with that. Now here what I need to do is I need to swap myself so I can be any. That means I can choose any leader I want. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to do the same thing for the AI player. It doesn't matter if you do them AI or not, or any or not. Now, when it comes to this part, we're going to switch this to city state, and we're going to switch city states to random. If you set any, they will not spawn. So I'm going to do this one, again, as city state. I'm going to set them to random. So now we have 2 players and 2 city states. If I wanted, I could add more. I could add more real players, or I could add more AI players, which includes AI civilizations and AI city states. But I'm not going to. And there's a lot of other options that I could add here, like actually making a full scenario, and other things things I could place down now that we're in the advanced options, but I'm not going to because we don't need that. And now I'm going to save the map, and then I'm going to be loading right in. So I'm going to save the map. I'm going to name it the exact same thing because consistency is good. Speed map. And now I'm going to be going to the main menu to show you how to get into your map. Okay, so you're here at the main menu. You click single player, you click create game, and now your map type should be right there. Speed map. Wow, that was easy. You can change anything else you want to, or don't change anything. I don't really care what you do with your life. We are going to click start game, and we're going to get loading in right away. Okay, so now that we're in the game, I like to test to make sure everything is there and everything worked properly, including the city-state spawning. So I'm going to click the squiggly line key, that's a professional name. I'm going to type in reveal space all, reveal all. This is going to show me all the wonders. I'm going to skip past that. And now I can zoom out, I can see the entire map, and I can see, yep, there's me, and there's a city-state. Now, the last one did not spawn, and I believe it's because we do not have enough room on this map, or it did not save properly. I have found that city-states sometimes do not save properly. And that is how to build and play a Civilization 6 map in about 5 minutes. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.